Okay, we're down in Macau and we're going to be kind of exploring this little park right here. Give you a little context to it in a second. And it's also labeled down below so you can see it exactly what it is. So straight ahead is also the Grand Lisboa Casino, by the way. So I'll show you what's around here as well. There's a hotel right here called Royal. And we're on this street right here, but we're going to be going down here. Okay, let's get started. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's go check out this park. So yeah, this is called the Royal Hotel. Grand Lisboa Hotel. And we're basically going to walk into this little park. We're kind of on a nice hill right here as well. Turning the Vasco da Gama. It overlooks this, not sure what that is. We'll go down and take a look. Just for reference's sake, we were at Estrada da Victoria. Okay, let's head on down. Yep, so we're in Macau side and we're not too far from what's it, Top Siak. It's a nice little garden here. Not sure what this is exactly. I think it's like has to do with sports, some kind of sports center. Coming up is the Lotus Flower Festival. Or is that already passed? There's our garden right there. Let's see what this is. It's like summer activities, Macau Dragon Boat. Dragon Boat. The play area over that way. I guess that's Vasco da Gama right there, I think. So yeah, nice little place to sit. Looks like there's a sign right here, so we'll see what this is all about right now. There it is. So yeah, it's basically a park just devoted to Vasco da Gama. Alright, more places to sit. There's Vasco da Gama right there. Alright, I don't know. I think if you don't know Macau, then everything is worth seeing a little bit. This is one of those things that you can put your feet on. Good for the circulation there. Does look pretty cool. Nice little view there. Okay, let's head on down to the main street here. And I think this will conclude our Vasco da Gama Park. Now we're back on a regular street again. That's Vasco da Gama right there. I guess that's a kind of sports facility, I would imagine. Okay, let's end it right there. Chiquinha.